Okay, Alan, I appreciate the call. And what was your state? What was your state again? Over?
No, it wasn't that fellow there. I had changed the frequency. Unfortunately, I forget what frequency I was listening to now. But man, I had to laugh. I realized the holy grail of ham radio is to never have to stoop so low as to touch an actual radio. No, I was listening to the man here. Well, not this man, but I was listening to a ham, and he had the voice of power, and he had the voice of authority, and he had the voice of snotty arrogance. You know, some self-perceived engineer type, I'm sure, and talking about his new linear and how he finally got it working right. And I'm wondering, well, how complicated could it be? I've never had a linear, so I don't know. Dang, man. And then the truth was revealed. You know what his linear amplifier was connected to? You think it was connected to his radio? It wasn't. It was connected to his router. The linear was Wi-Fi capable and connected to his router, so somehow I guess it could pick his audio out. It modulated it. Really? Is that the holy grail of amateur radio today? To not have a radio? To sit before a laptop? This is amateur radio that your grandpa enjoyed. This is amateur radio today.